Most concrete in our cities start falling apart in less than 50 years. But Roman concrete, it's been standing for over 2,000 years. The one thing that made the difference is all hidden in a word we all know: cash. And no, not the kind in your wallet. Imagine walking through Rome. You run your hand along the Colosseum, stone and concrete, older than your family tree, older than your country, maybe the language you and I speak. Now you drive down your own street, potholes, cracks, a bridge that is under repair, always, which should have just rented a permanent sign, repair. How did the Romans build something that could last 40 times longer than we can? The Romans didn't have magic, they had one thing closer to it: the alchemy. They took three things: volcanic ash, lime and water, and then turned it into something that could heal itself. When the volcanic ash, lime and water is mixed, it turns into something we call cash. And in full terms, calcium aluminate silicate hydride, and that's the glue that held their concrete together. It's important to think of cash like a saving account in your beauty, and when cracks appeared, the account paid out. The lime reacted with water, making a new silicate to fill the crack. Since the structures could heal themselves, there were no need for workers, definitely no need for bill payment. And today, concrete is made out of Portland cement. One thing about the concrete of today is that it's strong for a while, but it has no saving account. Once water gets inside the concrete element, the steel in it begins to rust, and definitely the concrete dies with time. And here is the sad part: we spend millions upon millions trying to fix these things, which we would have just adjusted in the first place. And this is just like buying a new phone every month, because you keep dropping it instead of buying a new case. In Isaac Newton once said, if you can find the one thing behind a problem, then you can solve almost anything. And for Roman concrete, that one thing was the catch, and how they mix it so it could heal itself over centuries. And if you brought that back today, who knows, maybe roads could heal themselves, maybe even bridges could outlive nations, and our great-grandchildren could walk through cities we built today. Who knows, maybe the secret of the future is hidden in the past. The Romans didn't just build for themselves, they built for people they will never meet. And maybe that's the real lesson: like building your work, your relationship, like you want it to last for 2,000 years, because the right kind of catch will always pay off.